Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will review these. I forgot the name of the car. It's a 1958 Chevrolet Impala by American Graffiti, and it's nice. I bought this for $10 at the show, and look at that Chevy Impala. It's so nice to have these kind of models because it's very nostalgic, and I don't have that much classic cars in my collection, but if I do have a chance to grab one, I do grab one. So yeah, it's a little bit smaller. I don't think it's 124, but maybe probably 125, but it's okay. Let's see, let's open the hood. Yeah, the engine is simple, not much details on it, and the interior is a little bit yellowish now. Before it was white, probably because of the UV rays, UV lights, that's why it become yellow. And the bonnet, let's see if we can open it. Yeah, it's a 1958, and it's nice. Can't say anything about it. What do you guys think? Nice addition to the collection. Actually, another one like these. Let me show you. This one I got it from a seller on Marketplace for $15. It was made by Jada Dub City, and it has an acrylic case on it. And as you can see, it's also it's El Camino. Yeah, so it's El Camino, and it's on a yellow color. Nice. The cover for the trunk can be removed, as you can see there, and the engine cover pops up too. So this one, as you can see, it has the same, so probably it's the same scale. Interesting. So at least I have two now, so that will be displayed like this. Yep, now I have two classic cars. So hope you guys like it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you on to the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.